Hey YouTube, it's Josh and I'm back again with another short video because I really wanted to share this with you guys. So last week I was able to capture something that should really never be seen in this part of the world. So last week I went to photograph a low lighthouse at a place called Burnham-On-Sea. My intentions were to capture the Milky Way galaxy running alongside the lighthouse. So everything you could expect to go wrong on a photo shoot certainly happened this time around. So not only is it a public beach and it was low tide, but I was in fact chased off the beach as well. A bit weird, but the result being I eventually left some time and I was able to photograph this view here. And honestly, the view was absolutely stunning. You could see the Milky Way and all the details in the Cygnus Rift really shining out bright, and the details of the lighthouse was wonderful. Considering it was something that I'd never photographed before, I thought this was a really good first attempt. But something I didn't realise, and it was only when my photography friends alerted me about this, but the night I was taking these photographs, there was a really strong outburst of aurora activity. It was a bit of a weird night. Clouds were there one minute, clear sky the next, and then it clouded over again. So it was a really narrow, small window to capture anything. But take a look at this. So as you can see here, in the lower right of the image, there's a faint red glow on the horizon. And the more you look down, you can see a greenish tinge. Guys, I've only gone and photographed the northern lights from southwest England. This is unheard of. So if anything, this is a rare photograph to capture, and what luck it was as well. I am so delighted with the outcome of the image, but just throw the northern lights in the mix as well. It was stunning. Basically, the reason for this happening, guys, is because of the life cycle of the sun. When I was capturing this photograph, there is a large, what's called a coronal mass ejection, which was sending debris towards the Earth, which in turn excited the poles of our planet, and in doing so meant from lower latitudes, you're able to see the northern lights. But the weirdest thing about it, I couldn't see them because I may not have been paying attention, but it shows whilst I was cleaning and processing these images, it shone out there and it was brilliant to capture. So I just want to say again, thank you very much guys for watching this very short video, and as always, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my social media channels to follow my latest work, and here's to clear skies and all the best. Thank you for watching.